My skirt is wet. My shirt is wet. My socks is wet. Hi guys, I'm actually running really late because I'm supposed to go downstairs and see Zach. But, hello, welcome to the vlog. Today is Saturday, May 3rd. And you're like, Nishma, you just posted a video back in March. I am so sorry, y'all. I've been busy. So I think the next couple of videos is going to be a little bit more modern. And it's going to be little flashbacks of what I did in April, March. So I do apologize. I am not really good at editing. I do have a job outside of this because technically nobody watches this, so I could take my sweet ass time. But yeah, so we're gonna go on a hike. My fit, excuse the mess, we're packing and leaving this apartment, is a cute tennis skirt, a blue shirt, and a black shoe, run shoe maybe. And the baby I should wear a hiking shoe just because I don't really remember if these trails are steep or not, but no, yeah. Welcome to today's vlog. I'll see you guys later. Got a chai. What did you get, Zach? Iced coffee. The mountain views. Can you take a picture with me? The bugs are really bad here. Oh Lord. Zach. I feel like I'm somewhere.
It's raining currently, and we're waiting for our tacos. I'm sitting on this like log. Yeah. See, we also decided to stay another night, even though we're literally unprepared. But Asian tacos and grilled cheese.
Change off the bus or cafe.
We stopped at this boba place to drink some boba,
We're not getting one. It's got some.
but we're getting tea though.
I just seen the iced tea on the map look kind of good. I just want iced tea right now. But I'm gonna get some milk tea after this.
Milk tea.
I'll probably get some seconds and get some done yet.
My skirt is wet. My shirt is wet. My socks is wet. Zach's whole body is wet. Well. Cute. Your face is in it.
It's a good iced tea.
I think I'm too cold to drink anything else.
Some donuts as well.
So Zach, I'm gonna interview you. Okay.
I look crazy for me.
Bro, I smell like trees. The tree, like the rain tree, the rain, but the tree smell on me. But yeah. Cheers. Let's go there. Changing my skirt to these pants I just bought. After our 2-hour nap, we're back out.
I wasn't taking that now.
He wasn't taking a nap, but I was.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing,
That's some good salad. I'm gonna lie.
then takes it all away. Don't take me away from you. Don't take me away from you.
Our matching
get stuck to each other. Like, shoot, try to open this part.
Yeah.
That.
I think just glued on there.
Glue.
It's not like the packaging, like the plastic of it. So you can tell that it's getting plastic in here too a little bit.